Let's talk to Tim Harrison. He's the head of wealth management. He's just been telling me off air he's bought a new car. Lucky man. Tim, the week ahead, what's going on?
Well, it's a case of over the weekend, obviously the US with their government shutdown, etc. So this week starts on a rather quieter note. It's going to be a case of maintenance of toing and froing from Trump et al. More importantly, over here, you've got companies reporting which could see some volatility, could see some movements. The spread bettors IG report later on in the week. You've got the likes of Fevertree, who were bid spec back end of last week. Yep. So there's a lot going on the company focus. Crest Nicholson as well reporting. And then towards the end of the week, you've got the key data, US, UK GDP figures to watch out for, which will probably move the currency markets more than anything else.
Right. In terms of politics, Germany, Greece,
it's all go.
UK,
yeah,
ECB.
I mean, it's again, these historically, and I'm talking sort of 5 or 6 years ago, each one of these individual events would have moved the markets. But right now, it seems that the market is so laissez faire about anything and everything. The fact that Merkel's talking with regards to an SDP coalition again, you've got the Greek situation, you've got what's going on with Theresa May, the Brexit, etc., etc. UKIP, obviously, their vote of no confidence with that. And then you take into account what's going on in the US with their government lockdown, or shutdown, sorry, excuse me. It's all going off, but at the moment it's a case of where is the opportunity. There's a lot of M&A activity. Sanofi to buy Belgravia, that came through. There's been a bid put in for Yux Net-a-Porter from Richemont overnight. So there's a lot of M&A going on, which is probably driving the markets as opposed to the political toing and froing.
Cash is king, as they say.
Well, it's an opportunist market right now. You've got a lot going on, and whilst the headwinds and the headlines are taking people's attention away from individual opportunities, they are still there. And our portfolio, to be quite frank with you, has had a phenomenal 2 months, really riding this M&A sort of bubble, if you like. But again, we do caution fear, because when you do see levels of M&A like we are right now, then it sometimes does signal the end to the bull run. So again, always keep a look over your shoulder.
Understood. Tim Harrison, thank you very much indeed.